Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.2 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay, first verify whether we have VirtualBox. See here we don't have VirtualBox. Okay, so open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Click on download or download, both are same. See here the latest release is 7.2.0. Then click on Linux distributions. Then see here we can install VirtualBox on Ubuntu versions 22.04, 24.04, 24.10. Okay, so select Ubuntu 22.04. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. Download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i virtual, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It may be failed with dependency not met error. Okay, this is the expected error, so we have to install these dependencies. Okay, so try to install this. So copy this dependency, sudo apt, okay. We have successfully installed control. Now install this VirtualBox. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. Go to next page. See here we have the VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. Now open it. See here we have the VirtualBox manager. Now verify the version. Go to help, then about VirtualBox. See here we have installed 7.2.0. Okay, close this one. You want to create new virtual machine, click on new. Then you have to fill all these details, or just go to machine and select new. Both are same. And if you want to add the existing virtual machine, click on open, or go to machine and select open. Okay, so go to terminal, ls. We have successfully installed. Remove this one to clear the space. rm virtual, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2.0 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.